In this demonstration, I'll be explaining the basic features of the application. First, notice the surrounding box that outlines the groups. This means that if I click Save, the policy will be saved for the currently selected group or groups. There is only one policy to find, and that is for the Everyone group. It is set for one concurrent login maximum. Looking at the Windows XP computer, it is already logged in as administrator. So if anyone tries to log in to any other computer as administrator, they'll receive a message. We'll see the message as we log into this Windows 7 machine. This message will present the user with a few options. The user will be forced to log out, or the user can remotely log out the other computer that is logged in as administrator. Either way, this will preserve the one connection limit. For this example, we will choose to remotely log out the XP machine. Notice how the XP computer is being forced to log out. We will click the Skip the Wait button to speed up the process. This computer is logged out and there is only one login for the administrator. Next, we'll set the administrator with a limit of 2 concurrent logins so I can demonstrate the time restriction in scheduling. For the sake of demonstration time, I'll set the administrator with a maximum login time of 5 seconds. We'll now log into the Windows XP computer, and after 5 seconds, it'll be forced to log out. Next, we'll set the schedule and enforcement. At 2:34 p.m., this computer will log out. We'll check back on this computer in a minute. Next, we will look at a few security options. By default, the user isn't allowed to remotely log out any computer that is logged in using the same username, as seen in the Windows 7 client. To enable this feature, click on the Security tab and enable these options. After logging in, you'll notice that these options are now available. We are now going to log out any computer that the administrator is currently logged into except for the current computer. As we switch over to the Windows 7 computer, you'll notice that this computer will be forced to log out. Next, I will demonstrate the remote execution. Select one or more computers, type in a command in the remote execution box, and then click Start. Next, we'll send a message to the Windows XP computer. This list will show you all computers that are currently logged into the current domain. It will give you a little information about the computer. You'll notice a green light by WinXP1. This means that the computer is currently checking in correctly. The last thing I will mention is the ability of multiple languages on the console and client. I'll demonstrate changing the language for only the administrator user. You'll notice that the language on the Windows 7 client has changed to the Chinese language.